Gold continues a bearish move since the last week, where I have explained after this bearish breakout below this area 3355.61. This bearish breakout has been confirmed, and then the price formed again a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline down. The price could not manage to go further down. We can see that for 2 days. In the last 2 days, the price is trying to move down slightly, but also we can see the price is retracing back up to the first resistance level 3355.61. Yesterday the price was trying to move above this area of resistance, but we can see the price has retraced back down and closed the day below the open price, which is again bearish candle. What we can see, the price has also tried to move further down, reaching 3314.79, which is the target for these two candles that has been created on the chart, on the daily chart. And currently what we can see here, it is some kind of a bearish pin bar format here. It is also indecision candle between this resistance and the support level here. What we can see on the 4-hour time frame, since yesterday we can see how the price has behaved. The price has started the day with this large bullish candle, but the price also tried to move further down and then try to move up. We can see when the price has reached the daily resistance level, the price has retraced back down. There was a second attempt for the price to move again above this area of resistance, but we can see the price has touched just this area of resistance, this resistance level, and then bouncing back down again, forming a bearish candle like indecision candle. After that, we can see the price is forming a strong bearish candle on the 4-hour time frame, going below this area of support on the 4-hour time frame 3343.99, and then price has reached the next target, which was 3332.99. Here the price stayed for a while and then formed the decision candle, going further down and going up, which is just an attempt from the bears here to push the price down, but we can see the bulls are protecting this area and not allowing the price to go further below this area of support. On the 1-hour time frame, yesterday I have shared inside the premium analysis this bullish breakout that has been formed on the chart. This bullish breakout above 3340.99, where the target was right here. And we can see the price is returning back down to this area of support, just testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and it has also confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then the price continued to rise in value, and this was a successful trade yesterday. If you would like to receive these updates, like in this example, for all other symbols that you can see here, feel free to check the premium analysis and join other traders. The link will be below in the description. After that, we can see a strong bullish candle on the 1-hour time frame, but then the price returned back down with the also strong bearish candle. And we can see there was an attempt again to push the price above this area of resistance, but it was some kind of a bearish pin bar formed right here at the resistance, which then again we have seen a bullish pin bar right here, which is showing just indecision between the buyers and the sellers right here at 3350.39, a resistance level. From there, we can see there was an attempt for the bulls to push the price up, but there is a strong selling pressure here that was pushing the price down, and we can see a pretty strong one has pushed the price all the way to this area of support. Here, in the 2 hours ago, the price was attempting to move up and down, but unsuccessfully. We can see it is a bullish candle, but it is still around 3332.99. What we can make as a conclusion, what would we see happening today? First of all, the daily time frame is still showing in a space to reach the daily support level at 3314.79. So the daily time frame is still bearish oriented, at least what I can see, and also based on the yesterday candle, it was an attempt from the bulls, but we can see the bears have pushed the price further down, again making and also closing the day below the open price. 4-hour time frame is currently showing me a selling pressure much more stronger than it is buying, because we can see the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt to push the price below this area of support. This was the first attempt, small wick, large wick, and again large wick on the lower side. For the bulls, we can see there is not so strong buying pressure right here. It was only an attempt here yesterday, but we can see currently the price is still above around this area of support. So I'm more inclined on the 4-hour time frame to see the price going further down, but the bearish breakout below this area of support 3332.99 should be formed on the chart to open space to further move down. The target here is 3314.79. Now the 4-hour time frame, currently it is in decision, waiting outside, waiting for the market to make a move. On the 1-hour time frame, it is similar scenario like on the 4-hour time frame. There is no clear breakout here. We can see 4 minute on the chart, so it is the best to stay out of the market, waiting for a clean breakout. Will it go up or it will go down? We will see. But the 1-hour time frame shows several possibilities to trade, and we can see yesterday was a bullish breakout. We can see here it is a bearish breakout with the target right here. So there are trading opportunities that can be formed during the day, and that is something that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis. So feel free to check that and join other traders. So for now, it is the best to stay out, wait for a clear information. There is no clear signals on all 3 time frames, so it is the best to wait for a clear signal and then enter the trade, not chasing the market but following the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.